Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to set up split screen views when using Google Docs. So normally for every document you open, it's going to open on a new tab. Then of course you could open multiple browsers and then kind of split the screen that way. But if you want to do it all within one browser, you could use this free extension here called Google Docs SplitView. So it's free to use. You just install it like any other extension. And then once you have it installed, you could go to Google Docs. You'll see it up here if you have it pinned. Otherwise, you could go to your extensions and then pin it if you want to always have it available, or you could just access it by doing the drop down to your extension list right here. All right, so I have these three documents open. So now let's say I want to do a split view. Click on that, pick the ones you want to split. You can see this one with the green check mark is the active one. So I could do this one and this one, for example. Launch the split view. You could also do dark mode. So now we have both of our documents in their own split view. When you hover the mouse over it, then you're controlling that particular document. And then you'll have the sidebar here too as well. So if you want to toggle vertical and horizontal frames, you can do it that way. If you like that view better, you can share this workspace. And then you can also add new folders. So let's say we want to have this Hawaii vacation in a folder. Click on this button here. Type in a name, pick an icon, pick the documents you want. Let's just say we're going to put two of these in here. Add folder. And now you have this here on the left so you can easily access them and even open up another window. So let's say we close this one here and this one here for Hawaii Vacation. Click on our folder here, click on Hawaii Vacation, then it opens it back up for us. And then if you expand the sidebar here, you'll have a settings section. And you can see I spelled it wrong, so if I need to change that, I could do that. Pick a different icon, add some other files, delete it, edit it, and so on. So we update it. Like so. And then when you're in the files, you have an option here to duplicate the frame. So if I want another copy of this document, I could do that. And now I have another one here. I could just close it out if I don't need it. Copy URL, pop it out into its own window, make it full screen, close the full screen, or close the frame. And if you click on the top bar here, you have some options here to search your open tabs. Let's say we want to click on this one here. Now we could swap out this document for the one that we picked from the list here. And then go back and forth like that. Then we have the dark mode here if you want that. And you could even go to something like a Google Sheets, for example. Open a spreadsheet there. Click on the same button here. Pick a couple files, launch the split view. And now you have your documents from Google Docs and your spreadsheets from Google Sheets using the split view. So it's not just for Google Docs, even though the name of the extension is Google Docs Split View. Turn dark mode back off here real quick since it's a little harder to see. Then you can see in the list here you have your spreadsheets as well. If you open Google Slides, do one of each here. Now you can see we have a file from Google Docs, from Google Sheets, and from Google Slides, all using the same extension here. All right, so I will put a link in the description where you can download Google Docs Split View and you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.